In today's video, I'm going to show you a very simple recipe using 2 natural ingredients that can help you grow your hair much faster if you are balding, suffering from thinning of hair, if you're losing your edges, or if you just want to improve the overall health of your hair. These 2 ingredients are really easy to find, so if you're ready, let's do this. Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back. So let's go find our first ingredient. Our first ingredient is rosemary. Rosemary is easy to find. You can find this at your local grocery store. And as we go look for the second ingredient, hey, you know how we do it here. Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up right now. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell for more DIYs. Okay, so the second ingredient is cloves. Cloves is also very easy to find. You can find it in the market or from your local grocery store. If you're not familiar with cloves, cloves is a natural ingredient that can help with hair growth. It can also help with scalp issues, improving with the overall health of your scalp. It can help with your edges, it can help prevent dandruff, and also promote hair growth. If you're not using cloves, girl, you are missing out on something good. You must give it a try. Okay, so you put a pot of water on the stove like so and allow it to boil. After that, you're going to add your cloves. Make sure the water boils before you add your cloves. Cloves are very potent, so little cloves will give you a lot of the cloves water. Let's go ahead and prepare our rosemary so we can add it to our cloves. Rosemary are really great for our natural hair. It contains an active ingredient called the carnosic acid. This can help heal tissue and also nerve damage in the scalp, and for that reason can help with balding, hair loss, and also promote hair growth. To get the rosemary leaves ready, you just have to wash it. Then after that, you dry it and you plug it like so. Starting from the end, you just plug it downwards and it all falls off. After getting the rosemary leaves, you just add it to the clove water that is already boiling. You boil both together on a medium heat for about 10 minutes. Another way that you can prepare this is just adding very hot water to these 2 ingredients and let it sit for about 2 to 3 hours. But this is the fastest method. And if you get the color like so, then your spray is ready. But I'm going to show you other things that I'm going to add to it to make it work even much better. If you do not have these other ingredients, do not worry. You do not need those. I just added, just to spice it and make it work much better. But just these 2 ingredients will help you grow your hair much faster. The first ingredient I'm going to add is the lavender oil. Lavender oil is known to stimulate hair growth, fight dandruff, and also soothe an itchy scalp. The next ingredient I'm going to add is the vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is a potent scalp antioxidant and hair hydrator that boosts scalp health, stimulates hair growth, and also increase hair strength and shine. You do not need much of these 2 oils, just a little bit will go a long way. The other ingredient I'm going to add is the tea tree oil. Just looking at the bottle, you can see so many benefits of the tea tree oil. It can help moisturize your hair, prevent dandruff, and also improve the overall health of your scalp. So adding these 3 oils, I just give it a good stir, and after that I'm going to transfer into my spray bottle. But I have one more ingredient that I'm going to add to it, so make sure you're watching to the end. And also I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can use this spray to boost your hair growth, so make sure you're watching to the end. Okay, so at this moment I'm just transferring it into an applicator bottle to make the use much easier. Then I'm going to add my extra virgin olive oil. I almost forgot to add this oil, but I really need it in my hair because olive oil is really lightweight and it can also help promote hair growth. This is what we have, guys. Look at how yummy it is all looking. These 2 natural ingredients put together can help prevent hair loss. It can also help you grow your edges much faster. It can prevent balding, and also if you are suffering from any scalp issues or alopecia, this spray will really help. I used to have relax or perm there and chemicals damaged my hair. I lost all my edges, but thanks to all these DIYs using natural ingredients, I've been able to grow my hair much faster and thicker. So guys, you shouldn't be sleeping on all these natural ingredients because they can really help you grow your hair. And hey, you know how we do it here. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs to help with your hair growth, you will be notified. And do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. All right, let me show you 2 ways that you can use this to help you grow your hair. The first way that you can use this hairspray is an everyday use. If you have a protective hairstyle like so, you can be spraying this on your scalp each and every day. Then you keep massaging it to wherever you have problems. If it's your edges, if you are balding, if you have thinning of hair, make sure you get it soaked in that hair. Just rub it in, and you know, massaging your scalp can also stimulate hair growth. So make sure whenever you are spraying this in your hair, you are also doing the massaging process. The second way that you can use this is when you do not have any protective hairstyle and you're ready to put your hair in a protective hairstyle, you just soak your hair with this solution. You make sure it gets into it. This can be used after your wash days or whenever you feel like you have to put your hair in a protective hairstyle, because with me, after every 3 days, I re-moisturize my hair, and this is what I use. So you can just massage this in your hair, make sure it's getting into your scalp, to every part of the hair. Then after that, you can go on with your normal, you know, LOC or LCO method, which is the leave-in, the conditioner, the oil. Use your favorite oil and make sure you put that leave-in conditioner in, because you need leave-in conditioner to moisturize your hair. Then after that, you can go in with your oils, and also you can go in with your butter. I use a clove butter all the time. You know I love my cloves, because cloves can really help you grow your hair. Then after that, you just detangle a little bit. Then always make sure you put your hair in a protective hairstyle, because that is the only way that you can lock in the moisture. What I love about this spray is everything in it is all natural. It can also help promote your hair growth, and the ingredients are very easy to find. Cloves and rosemary are easy to find from any grocery store. And one thing you have to know is all these natural ingredients that we have in our home that we use to cook, we can also use them to grow our hair. Everything from God that is natural is great for the body as well as for our hair. So if you're not using any of these, you know, natural ingredients to help grow your hair, girl, you are missing out on something good. So make sure you incorporate any of these ingredients in your hair. I use all sorts of natural ingredients on my hair. Call it the ginger, cloves, fenugreek, hibiscus. I love them all because they help me grow my hair. And hey guys, after every treatment, you know, during the nighttime, make sure you're putting on a soft scalp before you go to bed so you do not break your hair. Okay, if you have excess and you need to store it for a very long time, you can just use an ice cube container like so, pour it in it, and leave it in the freezer till it becomes ice. You can also leave it in this form and leave it on your, you know, a cool dry place for about 10 days and it will not go bad. But I like to prepare fresh water every week, so I do not have to use this process. But if you are busy and you don't have time to be preparing this all the time, you just freeze it like so, and it can remain in the freezer forever. And whenever you are ready to use it, you just bring the cubes out, let it melt, and you're going to get your fresh rosemary and cloves water, and you can use it in your hair. So if you are stressing on how to store it, this is the best way to store it. So after everything, this is all dissolved and you get this water all back. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know you really enjoyed watching, and I also enjoyed filming. Make sure you show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload a video, you'll be notified.